Bobby.
One day, me and my niggas walking around Eagle Estates. See this little girl riding a tricycle, right? She looked about 4 years old. She had a horn on it. I was like, bitch, give me your bike. She started honking her horn at me and she tried to run away. I was like, karate kicked her in the head. Stole that shit. She was knocked out. Me and my niggas, she was knocked out. We're like, yo, let's ram the train on this hoe. Fresh meat, 4 years old. Still virgin. Then we took that bike. I rolled my nigga in the basket. He was in the basket, right? We took it off some sweet jumps. It was called the Sledgehammer. I would pause it. I don't know what to say.